Hi there, this is Fixed It. If you take a large lemonade bottle and you cut the top and the bottom off, and then if you cut it up the seam, and it will fold into this roll. If you open it up, it will fit nicely on your face, and then if you take a large elastic band and put it around your head, it won't actually be digging into the front because it's actually holding the top of the bottle. And when you cut it up, if you make sure that you cut around the top so that it's narrower at the top as it is here, as you can see it's actually forming a ledge around the top of my head, which is a good seal. It's away from my face because it's actually gripping under my chin, but it's giving really good cover on my face, and this elastic band on the back of my head is holding it firmly in place. Because it was rolling itself up as plastic will, it's actually pushing into the sides of my face, so it's giving an absolutely incredible hermetic seal up the side of my head, the seal on the top, and then there's just a gap on the bottom with which I'm breathing. It's a really effective visor, and it takes no more than 2 minutes to make. And the large elastic bands are the types that the postman leaves lying around, so you must likely have some either outside your house or you've already picked them up. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.